Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to this week's video of force and motion. This is lesson 3 of our unit. Today we are going to perform an experiment to show how Newton's 3 laws of motion work. This is written for you on your lesson pages in your student activity packet. If you remember, last week we learned that Newton was a scientist who came from the 1600s, and he came up with 3 laws or rules that explain why forces move or how forces move. The first law is called inertia. Inertia is an object's resistance to change. The first law states that objects need force in order to move or to stop moving. The second law is acceleration. Acceleration is the change of speed or direction of an object. Law 2 states that forces can slow down, speed up, or change the direction of an object. And Newton's third law states that if 2 objects come together, there will be an action and a reaction. This means that if one force acts and then an opposite force will push back. In today's lesson, we are going to actually do an experiment. Now, if you have these things, a ruler, 2 unsharpened pencils, and 4 marbles at home, you can do these experiments, and that is what is on this week's Flipgrid. You can do the experiments yourself. However, if you don't have the experiments, I'm going to record a second video of me doing the experiments, and you can watch me doing the experiments and then fill out the following questions that are in your lesson pages. Your lesson pages are pages 9 through 12. So make sure that you fill out pages 9 through 12 as you watch me do the experiments or do the experiments yourself. When you're finished, there's a journal and a reflection activity in your student activity book. Great job, 5th graders. I'll see you on Zoom.